Do y'all put bleach in your dishwater? It's hotter than the devil's ass crack. I don't care. You see shoes, what to do. I'm funny as hell, number one. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna vlog. Okay, so I just came back from the gym. I'm in my house. Apartment tour. Ooh, I look ratchet. Apartment tour coming soon. I got a friend. We're gonna take care of that tonight. But I just thought I decided to get the phone out and vlog. Because I got some Amazon packages. I got a money tree and it's like huge. Like I thought it was gonna be like a countertop plant. This joker might have to go outside. So I'm gonna unbox that and my tripod that I got, and yeah, so it's huge. Well, it's bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Oh my goodness. I got it from Amazon. Okay, so you can just take it out like that. This is really big. And it comes in a pot and everything. Dog, this was less than $30. And for it to come in a pot and everything, that's really good. I'm so excited. Okay. So, plans make your life better. Don't need that. I'm sore. Okay. So, hello, my name is Watch Me Girl. Keep this car for your workers. Care instructions. My birthday. So, her birthday. Oh my gosh. Watering schedule. Address. Go best near a sunny window. Feed me once or twice a year during. I have a tripod. I think it's a tripod at least. Yeah. Whoa. It's more than a tripod. I be forgetting what I be ordering. But got some, this is my favorite stuff ever. Got some wax beans to wax myself. And I got a selfie stick tripod. A selfie stick tripod. Not sponsored. I wish it was though. Good morning guys. Today's Thursday, July 31st. And I did not vlog for the past 2 days. I cooked last night. I did hair yesterday, and now I'm getting ready to go to the gym. So yeah, I'm gonna try to pick up the camera all day though. But the other day, my friend was asking me about vlogging and when you gonna start my vlogging, when you gonna start your YouTube channel, and I was like, I should be vlogging right now. So I'm gonna get my water jug together. I got my grapes, got my so I'm about to get ready to go. I need to go to the bank. Rent is due tomorrow, so I need to go cut them check, and I need some gas. So now I'm about to head to the gym. Oh yo, I got a new car. It's a lot that I have to catch you guys up on. So yeah, but I got a new car. I have a Jeep. But yeah, I'm gonna finish this when I get to the gym, and then we have to do a car tour, a house tour. A lot has changed. Your girl has grown up, but it's 10:30 and I'm about to be late, so let me go. Good morning. Today is July 1st. I'm supposed to be at the gym at 9 a.m. And of course, I don't want to get up. But
over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep. Then dip me underway. You can feel my voice flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, deep.
I went to the gym. I should have recorded going to the gym. It didn't even cross my mind, honestly, to record going to the gym. But I went there and I worked out. Had a really good workout. I'm taking the trash out right now. I just cleaned up, as y'all probably saw. And I'm trying to figure out what I want to eat. I think I really want some cabbage and cornbread with some candy in. That's what I'm feeling. I ate a protein bar, but and I made the other day. Oh shit, it's hot. But yeah, head ass. Okay, but with the chicken I made yesterday, or the night before yesterday, I think I'm gonna make chicken quesadillas. I like to repurpose my food. I don't really like to eat the same meal over and over again. I made chicken and rice and gravy and all that stuff. That's cool. I ate it once, maybe once and a half. That's cool or whatever. But now, but I was saying I made chicken, so I make some chicken quesadillas, eat some broccoli with it later on. Ooh, let me hurry up. Okay, but ooh, don't mind the shoot. I'm gonna stop saying don't mind. I live in my car basically. But I forgot what I was saying, but I'm so excited to film this vlog. I have not did that in forever, but we just about to drive to the trash can right now. So yeah, that should be easy. So I'm gonna prep her wig. I know I'm shaking, y'all be alright, but I'm gonna prep her wig. I'm trying to see if I'm gonna bleach it or not, because she got her wig from Love Me, and they wigs come pre-bleached, but they be pre-bleached for real, so it really don't need to be bleached, to be honest. But I'm trying to see if I'm gonna be extra, but it really don't need it. It's really good. So I'm gonna prep her wig and eat, vacuum my living room. I might show doing her hair a little bit if she is okay with that. I gotta ask first. But I'm so excited to be vlogging. I know I said that again, but yeah, so let's take trash out. In and out of the car. was kind of skeptical on like doing hair, because I didn't want my YouTube channel to be 100% like only focused on hair, you know, like only hair, because I'm so much more than hair. Like, I'm funny as hell, number one. I mean, like, other than that, like, I didn't want to just do a hair page where all I did on here was do hair. Like, I love watching vlogs, and personally, these vlogs are for me because I like to watch myself on camera. Like, I like to watch me. I'm funny. Right, with your mama. Like, I'm funny. But let me know what y'all want to see in these vlogs. Definitely a house tour. Definitely a house tour. Definitely a new car tour. Those will be 2 separate videos. So like, those would be the 2 easiest. Y'all, it look like I live in the middle of nowhere. I really hope I don't regret recording this much, because child, all these clips, and I'm gonna have to watch them all back. But I need to get some pots, or not, some containers like to put my food in, because like I only have like 2 medium big size containers to put my stuff in when I cook. But I don't know if this meal is healthy. It's probably not, but it'd be okay. But just some cabbage, some cornbread, some candy yams. That's lunch. Sounds amazing. Comment down below, do you put bleach in your dishwater? I know that was random, but me and my friends have this like, oh goodness. Me and my friends be having like these mini debates on like, because stuff I do is weird or different. I don't know. It ain't weird to me, but I put bleach in my dishwater when I wash dishes. My friend is like, why is she doing that? And the other friend was like, she doesn't do that. And I'm like, my mama does that. And I know people who do that. Like, that's just clean to me. So like, I put bleach in my dishwater because I want to disinfect, you know, germs, stuff. So let me know. And do you put butter in your oatmeal? That's a question for next video, but I don't know. They're weird. Like, you don't put bleach in your dishwater, your dish is not clean. That's just my opinion. And this is really chill dog, so I just had to have kids. That dog is expensive.
Yeah, it's just dogs in general. Like insurance.
And it was like $5.
Oh, okay.
So I'm all through this. It's so weird because it's still me like the totally
Oh.
stages of my life that I think about.